like plants. I love nature. Me too.
It doesn't take very long to understand why Springdale Elementary ESL teacher Charisse Carter was recently named as the Wilson County Teacher of the Year.
Would you want to be like a brave lion, courageous and strong? Some of you said that.
She just has this extremely caring and engaging nature about her, and she finds a way to make learning fun for her students.
Find one more partner.
You already did it. No one did it.
So, in a crowded room at Cumberland University last Friday night, full of amazing educators from across the county, both public and private, her name was called as the winner.
And I am daily at Springdale with amazing educators. Wilson County has people that are here for a reason, that really love what they do. I'm thankful, and yes, I'm thankful.
As you would expect, she's extremely humble as well. But her love for teaching is quite evident, and you sense it immediately when you watch and hear her in action.
Okay, ready? I'll say it first. Bang, bang. Oh my goodness. Hey, let's give her a roller coaster woo. Ready? Woo. Good, Katarina.
Now, something very interesting about Mrs. Carter is her pathway to teaching. And it comes with a very uncommon, yet very admirable twist.
I came at this, midlife kind of thing, but 20 years with HCA and managed an analytic team over there, and it was great. It was a lot of fun.
That's right. After a 2-decade career in major corporate America, she left it all behind to pursue a career in teaching.
I really think God was putting the pieces together. He had a plan, and I was teaching at Sunday school. I was visiting midday in a busy workday schedule, leaving Franklin to drive to Nashville and go visit a big brother, big sister at lunch in downtown Nashville off of, I think it was Jefferson. Meet her for lunch or go read to kindergartners, And so then I would come back to the corporate schedule, in Franklin, and I would reflect at the end of the day, and really the best part of my day had been going to the schools.
And she'll admit, her co-workers at the time were a bit baffled.
They were in shock because no one had ever done that. Yeah. HCA is a great company, and they were surprised, to say the least. And they literally said, "You're going to do what?" Yeah.
But sometimes the heart tells you all you need to know. She was a servant and Samaritan long before becoming a teacher. She's been a teacher now for 10 years, with the last 5 being spent at Springdale.
And I've never regretted it. I never have regretted it, because you continue to learn and grow. And I did mention that for me, becoming a CPA would not have been possible without education. So I had spent the first 9 years of my life with a single mom in an apartment, off of Charlotte Avenue and close to downtown Nashville. And I realized that really the only way for that to change, and she was a nurse, but working long hours, really the importance of education.
Since becoming a teacher, that has allowed her to serve the needs of young students in an extremely special way. And that's by helping them navigate life with English skills that will only enhance their multicultural and multi-language backgrounds.
Education can change the trajectory path for any given student who really wants to do that. And so I think that's really what drove me to do it, is to help change that path for children to make the choice of what they want to be and to dream about it and be able to do it. But I just share with them my struggles. I said, I didn't pass the CPA the first time, and I share that story. I said it took me 3 times. So we talk about perseverance, and we talk about hard work and dreams.
She's definitely a special lady within the Springdale school community, and we couldn't be more proud that she's one of ours. She makes huge impacts as she touches the lives of many who have family roots that spread across the world. Meanwhile, we think the world of her. along with so many others.
Actually, on this one, let's have the boys go first on this side, and then girls will do this one.
I'm Barb Barker with Wilson County Schools.